For detailed installation videos and written instructions, go to KurbX.com. Begin by checking the substrate with a level in various directions. Check for humps and dips. Dry fit the pan and trace all exposed edges. Mark the drain center on the subfloor. Remove the pan and check that the drain waste will not conflict with any joists. A minimum radius of 2 1/8 inches from the drain center is required for drain body clearance. If you do not have the required drain body clearance due to a joist or other hidden mechanical, go to KurbX.com for further information. After setting the blade depth on the saw to your subfloor thickness, cut the subfloor along the traced lines and remove it. We recommend using a flush cut saw at the walls and a multi-tool to finish the corners. Install perimeter blocking to support both the pan and newly cut subfloor edges. We recommend gluing and screwing all blocking. Intermediate blocking is recommended, but not required when joists are 16 inches on center or less. After determining the drain location, cut the drain support block to fit between the joists. Fasten the supplied cleats into the joists, keeping the top of the drain support block flush to the top of the joist. Set the drain body into the recess hole of the drain support block. Hook up the plumbing waste and set the Teflon and rubber gaskets in place. Apply polyurethane adhesive to the drain support block, keeping it away from the parameter of the drain waste, a minimum of 2 inches. The adhesive on the perimeter blocking and DSB block should be light. The remaining joist and blocking surfaces should receive a heavy bead. Set the pan in place. Fasten the pan down using the provided 2-inch deck screws. Apply a small bead of silicone to the recessed area of the pan at the drain. Hand tighten the proprietary double-threaded nipple into the drain body until snug. Use grate or square to tighten another 1/4 or turn until snug using the notches in the double-threaded nipple. Do not over-tighten. Install the tile backer of your choice per the manufacturer's instructions. A typical installation will have 1/4-inch tile backer or a standard uncoupling membrane on the bathroom floor and 1/2-inch tile backer on the walls. Try to keep all joints as tight as possible. Fill any joint gaps larger than 1/8 of an inch with the provided acrylic latex caulk. For joints larger than 1/4 of an inch, fill with spray foam, a quick-drying gypsum, or cement-based mud. Be sure all surfaces are clean and dry before beginning the waterproofing process. Using the provided 4-inch brush, start by embedding all internal corners into the sealant membrane. Cover the corner with another coat of sealant waterproofing to complete the process. Then embed the sealant reinforcement tape around the perimeter of the pan, being sure to overlap all tape joints by a minimum of 1 inch. Embed the outside corners using the same process. It is not necessary to shingle lap the reinforcement tapes, but it is good practice. After installing all of the corners in the pan perimeter tapes, begin embedding all wall joint tape, being sure to overlap any adjoining tape and corners by a minimum of 1 inch. To maintain the full CURBLESS warranty, extend the tape and waterproofing a minimum of 6 inches above the shower head. Apply a roller coat with a provided 1/2-inch nap roller in either a horizontal or vertical direction. Note that the amount needed for the first coat will vary depending on the type of substrate. Apply a coat to all walls, the perimeter pan joints, and a minimum of 12 inches out onto the bathroom floor. It's very important to allow the first coat to dry before applying the second coat. Apply a second coat at 90 degrees to the first coat, achieving a 30 mm wet thickness. Our proprietary textured pan surface eliminates the need for 2 waterproofing coats on the field of the pan. This provides a dry platform to work from until it's time to finish up your second coat. Finally, Apply a coat of Seal-It waterproofing to the pan, extending out a minimum of 12 inches onto the bathroom floor. Thread the drain grate and frame to the desired height and install the tile of your choice. Keep in mind there are no special thin sets or grouts required for small mosaics, such as penny tile, due to the pan's strength.